How to use Google Maps on tablets. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're trying to learn how to use Google Maps on your tablet but not sure where to start, don't worry, here's how you can easily do it. Step 1 is to open up the Google Maps application. In my tablet, Google Maps was inbuilt, so I'm just gonna tap open Maps, but in your case, if you haven't installed it, you can download it from the Google Play Store and open it up. For Google Maps to work properly, make sure that your location is turned on. If you're opening the app for the first time, the app will ask you to grant location permission. Once you do that, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. Go to the search bar at the top left corner and tap on it and write down the name of the place you are searching for. Type the name like a restaurant, shop, school, or city, and after you search for that, you'll be able to see your search result. Now, tap on directions from the top and it'll show you the direction. Right now, it is showing me the walk distance. Swipe it up at the top and go ahead and select your travel mode. Choose if you are trying to go on a four-wheeler or two-wheeler, and then you'll be able to see the map. It'll show you the best route step by step. Now tap on the start button at the bottom to start navigating. Follow the blue line and listen to voice directions to reach your destination easily. Just make sure that your internet is stable so that the map loads smoothly and navigation stays accurate. So there you have it. That is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.